Hello, it's Forceful Chandlery, and today we're down at Southampton Sailing Club to demonstrate some of our Windward cleaning range. We're going to use the low foam deck wash, the boat wash, the stain removing gel. The boat doesn't have any canopy, so we're not going to get that out, and we also got a sail cleaner, but we're not going to get any sails out today to clean with that. These are ultra concentrated products, so we're going to show you how little you need to get a really good job and a really good finish, and how long a bottle will last over a season or two cleaning and maintaining your boat. So let's get cracking. So the Windward boat wash is designed specifically for cleaning fiberglass on boats and yachts. Its formulation will easily lift off dirt, grime. It's pretty effective on non-slip decks and other metal parts. It's just a good all-round general boat cleaner. It's pretty concentrated, so if you've got a really messy dirty boat, you can use a 10-to-1 mix, with the one being boat wash, so 1 litre will do 10 litres of water. For general maintenance, if you're just doing a general upkeep throughout the season, you can use a much lower 150-to-1 mix. So yeah, one bottle can do you a full season or two, depending on how dirty your boat is, and it's really easy to use. So yeah, let's fill up a bucket and get going. So I've used about half a litre and 10 litres here, because the boat is quite grubby, but I'm hoping it's not going to be too bad. It's really easy to use. Again, like most boat washes, you're just going to get in there with a sponge, or I'll probably use the telescopic flow through brush in a bit. Get it on and start agitating those areas, giving a good wipe, good rinse, trying to lift the dirt off and everything else. Once you're sort of happy with how things are looking, you're then going to want to rinse it off with a freshwater hose. Make sure you get as much product off as you can, especially if you're planning on polishing and waxing afterwards. So we've done one side of the Southampton Sailing Club boat. We used half a litre of the boat wash and about 10 litres of water. And I say we've got a pretty good finish. Again, it wasn't too hard to get most of that dirt off and give it a good rinse. I haven't done much of the top side yet because we wanted to demo the low foam deck wash there. And there's a few tricky areas to get around with the sponge and other bits that I think will be perfect to show the stain removing gel. So we'll just nip inside, get some warm water for the low foam deck wash, and then we'll come up and get on decks. So now we will take a look at the Windward low foam deck wash. Now this is really highly concentrated. If you're just doing regular cleaning, you can use as little as 12.5 ml per litre of water. Now, while I wouldn't say this boat is heavily soiled, it's obviously being cleaned for the first time this year. So we're probably going to go for the higher ratio of 25 ml per litre of water. Again, simple to use. We've got a bucket of warm water here. If you can use it, great. It's probably not essential. We're going to add this to it. We'll get on board. We'll give the decks a good scrub with the telescopic flow through brush, and then some of the harder areas we've got a deck scrubbing brush, and then once we've got a good coating over the boat, we're going to leave that for 5 to 8 minutes to really work in, lift that soil off, and then give it a rinse and see what finish we've got. So first thing first, now I'm on board using a good stiff brush. I'm just going to lightly try and get off any loose bits, bird mess, stuff like that. Before we start using the deck wash. So we used the low foam deck wash on one side of the boat, gave it a good coating with the deck scouring brush, probably give it a second one. It was a bit more heavily soiled than we thought, but even then, and with the sun, it dries out very quickly, so it doesn't get necessarily the opportunity to sit there for as long as we'd like. But we left it there for about 5 minutes, and then using telescopic flow through brush, we gave it a rinse off and a brush off there. Very happy with the results, especially so we can see on this side compared to the side that we haven't done or have barely touched, particularly up on the coach roof and stuff like that. It's still very grubby, very soiled, very stained. But yeah, that's the low foam deck wash from Windward. Very easy to use, very nice. This is the Windward stain removing gel. So it can be painted onto any fiberglass surface. It's like other popular gels that you would see out there on the market, and it's really, really good at removing the sort of yellowing stain on weathered fiberglass and gel coat. So you paint it on, you leave it 10 minutes, and then you simply rinse it off. So we've got some discoloration here, and we'll paint on like an F4, and we'll pop back in 10 minutes and see how that looks. It's really good when used, particularly along the waterlines where you get a lot of discoloration. And again, being a gel, you can paint it on. It's not going to run, it's going to stay on there. And then simply leave it for 10 minutes and rinse it off with a hose. So we've left the stain removing gel for 10 minutes, and now we're going to get ready to hose it off and see how it looks. So we can clearly see where we did apply the gel and where we haven't. We've got this nice white gel coat back, and we're good to carry on. So yeah, we've had a look at today the Windward boat wash, the Windward low foam deck cleaner, and the Windward stain removing gel. And I think we can be quite pleased with the results. I mean, I'm not the greatest boat cleaner in the world, but I think this boat's come up very nice compared to where it was before. Hopefully in future we'll take a look at the canopy cleaner, the prop cleaner, the sail cleaner, and the bilge cleaner. They're all available in store and online at Forceful Chandlery. Thanks again to Southampton Sailing Club for loaning us a boat to clean. We'll put a link to their website in the description if you want to check them out if you're in the area. Thanks again for watching.